Welcome to our channel Caribbean Glow. Today we're diving into smart ways to preserve food. Preserve your ingredients properly and be amazed at the flavor. Let's get started. First up, freezing. It's simple. Get your fruits, veggies, even some dairy, bung it in a freezer-safe container, and you're laughing. Canning's tricky. Needs attention to detail. Sterilized jars, boiling water baths, the whole 9 yards. Get it right, and your shelves will be stocked with vibrant preserves. Dehydrating kicks moisture to the curb. Fruit leathers, jerky, dried herbs, intense flavors last ages. Get a dehydrator, you won't regret it. Chapter 4. Pickling Pucker Up, that tangy vinegar bite perfect for preserving cucumbers, onions, and eggs. Experiment and find your favorites. Fermentation. Don't fear the bacteria. It's alive. Good bacteria, that is. Sauerkraut, kimchi, yogurt, tangy, good for your gut and lasts for ages. Win-win. Chapter 6. Vacuum sealing. Lock in freshness. Vacuum sealing's like a time capsule for food. Suck out the air, lock in freshness. Perfect for leftovers, meal prep, you name it. Chapter 7. Salting, an ancient technique. Salting's been around since ancient times. It draws out moisture and preserves like a charm. Think cured meats, salted fish, preserved lemons. Chapter 8. Smoking flavor with a punch. Smoking's not just for meat. Infuse your food with that smoky flavor and preserve it. Get a smoker, you won't regret it. Sugaring sweet preservation. Sugaring's the secret to jams, jellies, and fruit preserves galore. High sugar content keeps things fresh and adds a touch of delightful sweetness. Grandma's recipes never fail. Oil packing's like giving your food a luxurious bath. Keeps out air, adds rich flavor. Sun-dried tomatoes, roasted garlic, even cheese benefit. Root cellaring's old school. Cool, dark, humid. Perfect for storing root vegetables, potatoes, onions. Like a mini underground bunker for produce. Jamming's not rocket science, but it takes finesse. Get the sugar right, cook it down. Homemade jam on toast? Heaven. Chapter 13. Drying the OG preservation. Drying's the oldest trick in the book. Air drying, sun drying, oven drying. Get creative. Herbs, fruits, vegetables, dry them all. Freeze-drying space-age preservation. Freeze-drying's like something out of a science fiction movie. It removes moisture at super low temperatures, preserving flavor and nutrients like magic. Expensive, but worth it. Chapter 15. Cold storage. Keep it cool. Cold storage is your best friend. Fridge, root cellar, even a cool dark cupboard. Keep perishables fresh, extend their shelf life, and reduce waste. Chapter 16. Pemmican Survivalist Sustenance. Pemmicans for adventurers, survivalists. Dried meat, fat, and berries. A nutritional powerhouse that lasts for ages. Perfect for your next wilderness expedition. Lacto-fermentation, tangy and terrific. It's all about good bacteria. Sauerkraut, kimchi, pickles, tangy, probiotic-rich, delicious. Your gut will thank you. Water bath canning's for high-acid superstars. Tomatoes, fruits, jams. Boiling water bath seals jars tight, preserving goodness inside. Pressure canning, low-acid legends. Pressure canning's the big leagues for those low-acid rebels. Vegetables, meats, and stews. High pressure ensures safety, locking in flavor for months to come. Charcuterie's an art form. Curing, smoking, drying, humble meats into flavor explosions. Prosciutto, salami, chorizo, need I say more? Alcohol preservation, boozy and brilliant. Alcohol's not just for sipping. Preserving fruits in brandy, vodka, or rum adds a boozy kick, keeping things fresh for months. Cheers. Chapter 22. Potting under a blanket of fat. Potting's an old-school technique that works wonders. Cooked meat, submerged in fat. A protective seal keeping things fresh and flavorful. Clamping, the earth's embrace. Clamping's like tucking your vegetables into bed. Buried in earth or sand, they stay cool, moist, and happy. Ideal for root vegetables, cabbage, and celery. Food Preservation Masterclass complete. There you have it. 23 smart ways to preserve food straight from yours truly. Now you've no excuse for wasting a single ingredient. Stock your pantry and impress your friends and family. Respect your ingredients, minimize waste, and enjoy your labor year-round. Now conquer the kitchen and subscribe for more adventures.